Sweet and juicy mangoes and fresh tuna are the perfect combination in this delicious ceviche. The mangoes should be slightly firm to the touch with a nice smooth skin. Here I have a beautiful ripe juicy mango that I'll peel and dice. The mango will provide sweet counterbalance to the acidity of the lime juice and the richness of the tuna. Combine the mango, cucumber, red onion, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and jalapenos in a bowl. Now I'll prepare the fish. Combine the diced tuna, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Let this sit for 1 to 5 minutes depending on how cooked you would like your tuna. Drain the tuna. Add the tuna and cilantro to the mango mixture. Fold in the extra virgin olive oil. Don't overmix once the olive oil is added or it'll dull the color of the ceviche. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Serve the ceviche garnished with sliced avocados and cilantro, along with some tortilla chips, and enjoy. This is a healthy and delicious shared appetizer or entree that your guests will love.